when you leave Europe, you will use it to balance the ship. When you reach Caribbean, it's really like England went to conquer in that era. Those were so relief because they used it to balance the ship. At that time, they were in the big engine, so they would use it. It's undocumented. Between 95% people in Yes. So, like in St. George's, the Caribbean, some of the buildings is made up of them. But other islands have them, other nations have them too. Yeah, wherever they went, that's what they use. And by the way, I forgot the Jamaican. No, this headstone there is Clifford. No, that was the brother of Sir Clifford. Okay. So I think Sir Clifford was the first Governor General of Jamaica. Grenada is the island now closer to Africa. Also, this part of the island, we have a lot of places called plantation houses. Before going up to Jamaica, which was further up in the Caribbean water. Now it is said that those slaves that wasn't behaving very nice.
Yeah, they call it the rebellion slaves. Yes. They're the bad ones them from Jamaica. That's why we're so bad.
They couldn't leave them in Grenada.
They couldn't leave them here.
It is true. The rebellious slave is from dropped them off in Jamaica and Haiti. Yes, the rebellious, the one that wasn't going to have the beating and the. So I don't think it was a bad thing. I think it was they are the one who said, okay, we're not going to have it. That's it.
So they couldn't leave them in the quiet and sleep. Yeah. But at the end of the day, they are all one Caribbean. Yes. Because remember when the boat come, and as a visitor suggested, it was quite right. They wouldn't leave everybody from the same village in the same place.
Yes.
So they might drop one here.
Yes.
So like this gentleman, he stayed here. His brother went on to Jamaica. So as the Indians too, because they arrived there, right there, and I was privileged to speak to a gentleman before he died. He died at 100 and something, and he said he came in with a sister. He don't know where his sister went, but he know he stayed in Grenada. So that's the same thing with the slave. You don't have to go to one place. Even Martinique and Guadeloupe only became French when they were given to France. But at the end of the day, we are all one Caribbean. Amen.
You say we're Grenadian, we're Trinidadian.
We are one. We are one. Right. Yes, they wouldn't leave them to get afraid and they will rebel.
And that's where they come from also.
Yes.
Dehumanize them.
And also they use them, those children, to be sold.
Yes.
Because like that, they don't born and carried. It was a slave master's mission. And when they would sell the slaves for money. They would choose the prettiest slave and they would sell. And we all are mixed. Because I usually tell people I don't mix with Italian, and guess who I'm mixing them? Half Russian. So when these white men come, they choose the pretty slave and they intermingle us. So actually, we in the Caribbean, we're not really 100% African because we all mix Spanish, French, British, Italian.
We're out of many ones.
But now I did my DNA, and my family is 70%.
Yeah.
That's Indian. So I wanted to know where we came from in Africa. So I did the test.
From the Ashanti.
Yeah. We from the Yoruba tribe.
Nigerian. What am I?
Yeah.
Those are the one on the coast.
Guyana.
Most
From Guyana. I'm Ashanti.
Ghana.
Ghana.
I'm
Yeah.
Ashanti. Because of my round face.
Yes.
Ashanti.
So that's the ocean right now. That's where the two oceans meet. So that's the Atlantic to the horizon. So go to the whole ocean, go right down to the bottom. St. David's are the Atlantic Ocean. So that's where the ocean is. So being here, I learned that the Atlantic, two oceans never mix. So whether it's the Indian and the Pacific, that's how they meet, but they don't mix. So that's how you see a difference in the two oceans. And so on your map, that point is the liver. That's where we do the turtle watching. So that's why the turtles coming to us, because they come all the way across to come to us. And then in that bay right here, the Indians from India, 18th century, they landed here. First of yes. So like Trinidad, we celebrate it now, but Trinidad is the 30th of the same month, which is the first. So one was just telling me, I agree with me. They dropped 2 Indian here and 1 Trinidad with the whole boat, but it's just a joke. Because we have less Indian here. Trinidad and Guyana have more. But they were big islands and they had sugar cane.
Oh, yes.
And because it fall on the same month, and we before them, you can see that they dropped something and they took some more days to reach Grenada. So I still found where Dr. Noel is buried. So on the head of the stone, that was his father. And you see in 1886, they had no idea what sickle cell was when his father died at 37. He died at 32. So the Alexis, that's why they have a lot of young age there. Because all of them were carrying the sickle cell. The Noels and them that used to do like the first Dr. Noel we had that used to do pregnant. Now somebody was asking me that Noel, I'm not too sure, but I know for those that are the doctors. Because where his son attended, going up to the hospital, he attended there for 3 years before he died. So it's the same, it's a family estate. Yeah, but for those that is a lawyer, I'm not too sure. If it, but they could be related. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, we did back to 17 something. Remember the French and the British fought first, and the French came in first. The British only occupied the island after they were given. So we take those forts and put them back to the French. Those forts in St. George's are British.
So did Columbus discover here?
Pardon me?
Did he claim he discovered here?
Yes, he claimed he discovered here, but
No, he never landed. Actually, I said he stayed and lived us.
oh, he didn't land.
No,
Oh, okay.
He didn't land.
because our Caribs were here already.
They were the Indians and the
Caribs.
Caribs. Yes.
They came from South America, so they were already here.
Yeah.
So like Grenada, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Martinique, and Guadeloupe are a little different to the Jamaican. You all had Spanish. We only had French and British.
Okay, yeah.
So
we
Christopher
owned
Columbus
by the Spaniard. Who was
stayed
Spanish?
outside.
So we didn't, I thought we had Dutch too.
Well, the Dutch and them maybe just still. I think after when everything settled, everybody came in to take a little piece. This was a gentleman we was talking about the Chinese, and I was telling him the Chinese are not new to the Caribbean. They came in, but they just never came to the small islands. But they were always in Jamaica and Trinidad and Guyana.
And Guyana.
You know
Yeah.
that Chinese was slave in Jamaica?
They were not new to the Caribbean.
Chinese was slave in Jamaica because the blacks, the black slaves.
Yeah, after the blacks rebelled,
Yes.
And then
they got
the
Chinese.
They go get the Chinese them and bring them as slave.
Yeah.
And that's where shopkeepers they start
Building
branch
those
out
shop.
and build up the
Yes,
shop.
yeah.
So they're not really a stranger to the
No.
island. There was slave, but they're a slave just like, but it's not told.
After
So they
slavery
don't
was
keep it secret.
abolished,
Yeah.
They're white.
they
It's
become
just as
all
the
the
Indians
shopkeepers.
who came in there too. Because you will find, because the gentleman I spoke to by me, he's an Alexander. That's not his surname. So they were also bought. So when you find an Indian, some of them went back to get the Indian surname. But when you get a European surname like Charles, and that's not their surname, they were bought also. They came in as indenture, but they
don't
bought
really
them.
don't want to talk, so they say, don't want black people.
So I have some nice visitors. I like when I put one of the nice visitors. So here we are. Now when you read, you'll see that's how we got our tongue. Remember, it is also a French word. Because most of the names on the island are French, because the French named us, but the British put in their name when they took over. Yeah, so like you want to have a sleeper?
Yeah, I was going to say, yes. Never think
Oh, crap.
There's something done by one of the
Please.
but the one in Jamaica is speaking English.
Yes. We only the cards. The cards went down. Yes. So we only had cards from here. But that stone wasn't there. That's a man-made project, okay? Now we're building something we call a water project. But because of the ocean meeting here, no water here is always wrong. So we have to spread it out. No. And then that's the closest to island like Carriacou. So those islands are Grenada. You cannot speak to them. Speak close. You cannot go there. So we have those islands. We have heard of islands and Kai. And then you have a, you know that you have a 5 miles from the church right in front of you. Okay. So I go first. It's 5 miles from this place.
That's not good.
Yes, it's very good. I had something to tell you, so if I was work, they want to come back and stay here. Because this is the safest place.
How do you say this hard?
We are too close.
They will.
But we will get in quick at the island because how it goes is this water is not enough. Actually, this is Barbados is the one on the sea. But we are planting by themselves.
So wait, it's right there?
Yeah, right there. 5 miles from it.
Between that's where the mountain
The
is?
Barbados will get up like no.
So they're on the sea. Well, yeah, we would get, but I mean, so anyone's going to try there, St. Thomas, Brazil, and Delhi, they are tsunami warning. Oh, yeah. That's why they are predicting it. But it's Florida also. So Florida will get big. Barbados is only in the Atlantic. Jamaica is in the Caribbean.
But the Atlantic Ocean is
Jamaica, Aruba, they're on this side.